Artificial intelligence feels smart. It writes text, recognizes images, and makes predictions in seconds. But here's the real question. How does AI actually learn? Does it understand information the way humans do? Or is something else happening behind the scenes? The answer surprises most people. AI does not learn by thinking. It learns by finding patterns. Huge amounts of patterns. In this video, I'll explain how machine learning really works, in simple terms, without technical jargon. You'll understand how AI is trained, why data matters more than intelligence, and why these systems can feel impressive while still making basic mistakes. If you've ever wondered how AI goes from raw data to useful results, this explanation will finally make it clear. Let's break it down. To understand how AI learns, we need to start with one key idea. Artificial intelligence does not begin with knowledge. It begins with data. Machine learning is a process where systems improve by analyzing examples rather than following fixed rules. Traditional software works by instructions. If something happens, the program responds in a predefined way. Machine learning systems work differently. They are shown many examples and adjust themselves over time. Imagine you want a system to recognize spam emails. Instead of telling it every rule, you show it thousands of messages. Some are labeled spam. Others are labeled normal. At first, the system guesses. Most guesses are wrong. But each mistake is useful. The system measures how wrong it was and slightly adjusts its internal settings. This process repeats again and again. Gradually, the system becomes better at predicting which emails are spam. This is how learning happens, not through understanding, but through optimization. Most machine learning systems rely on mathematical models. These models contain parameters. During training, the parameters are adjusted to reduce errors. The goal is simple. Make fewer mistakes over time. One common method is called supervised learning. In supervised learning, each example comes with the correct answer. The system compares its prediction to the correct result and learns from the difference. This approach is widely used for image recognition, speech processing, and text classification. Another method is unsupervised learning. Here, the data has no labels. The system's task is to find structure on its own. It might group similar items together or identify unusual patterns. This is useful when answers are not known in advance. For example, detecting unusual behavior in financial transactions. There is also reinforcement learning. In this approach, the system learns through interaction. It takes actions and receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Over time, it learns which actions lead to better outcomes. This method is commonly used in robotics, simulations, and game-playing AI. Modern AI systems often use deep learning. Deep learning relies on neural networks with many layers. Each layer processes information in a slightly different way. Early layers detect simple patterns. Later layers detect more complex ones. This layered structure allows systems to recognize images, understand speech, and generate text. When you interact with a text-generating AI, it is not searching for answers. It is predicting what comes next. Based on patterns learned from large amounts of text, it estimates which word is most likely to follow. This is why AI can sound confident while still being wrong. It does not know facts. It does not verify information. It predicts probabilities. This also explains why data quality matters so much. AI systems reflect the data they are trained on. If the data is biased, incomplete, or outdated, the system's output will reflect that. More data does not automatically mean better results. Relevant, accurate data matters more. Machine learning systems are powerful, but they are not independent thinkers. They depend on human decisions. Decisions about goals, about training data, and about how results are used. Understanding how AI learns helps set realistic expectations. It shows why AI can assist humans effectively, and why human oversight is still essential. AI is a tool, a powerful one, but its value depends on how well we understand and guide it. That understanding is becoming an essential skill in a world shaped by technology. That's why AI will remain a tool, not a replacement for human judgment. AI will always need humans to learn from, to expand and become better. Understanding how AI learns helps us use it better and avoid unrealistic expectations. And that's the simple explanation of how artificial intelligence learns. If you want more clear and simple explanations about technology and AI, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.